Hi everyone, I'm Cody Tesla with MarineMax Cross Lake. Today I'm going to walk you through the 2026 Barletta Reserve Leggera. This one is our black to charcoal fade. Check out the 400 Merc on the back with the matching charcoal. The lines on this boat are unreal. See-through doggy view door off the side. We've got a power arch with a power bimini off of it, giving you a ton of shade when you want it. And with the press of a button, sun shining. Up in the bow on this boat, something I love is this heavy duty door. Open it up, you've got anchor storage right below. Coming through, dual captain's chairs, the bolster seat with the movable armrest. Something you won't see with pictures, the storage that we have on the dash. I love this side. We've got a USB cord or a plug in there you can plug into, put your phone in there, keep it out of the sun. You don't have any wires dangling around. The new screens are incredible. You can have your map, your trim, your power settings, along with your stereo, all at the touch of a button without flipping from screen to screen. Something else this pontoon has is it will make you an incredible captain at the docks. We've got the bow thruster and the stern thruster. With the push of a button, you can maneuver your boat port side, starboard side very, very easily. Barletta's rear lounger gives you a convenience of comfort with a lot of different options. If you want to lounge, put your feet up, lay back in the sun. If we've got a bunch of people, we can flip this seat. That backrest also flips up. Flip this back. Now you've got space for 3 to 4 more passengers in the back. The wraparound seating here, keeping everyone close. Just a really nice layout. Another thing you'll notice with Barletta is the VIP technology. There will not be a single rattle on this boat when you're out cruising the rough water. Smooth ride, high and dry. This pontoon's rated for 12 people. We're just about to put it in our show floor here at Cross Lake. Stop in, say hi, and check this beautiful pontoon out.